When I was 6 years old, in that neighborhood that I talked to you about, first of all, I learned that you had to fight people because they would call you dirty fucking Jew or dirty fucking DP, one or the other, or both, and eventually you would have to fight them. My brother was in the same boat, and but we were large children. We were large, and mostly after one or two fights, they would leave us alone. And sometimes some of them became our friends. It's a weird world. And, but it never went away. And there was always a sense of watchfulness, especially from my brother, hyper-vigilant. And he taught me how to walk down the street and always look over my shoulders and behind me to make sure nobody was following me, be aware of my surroundings, who was looking at me cross-eyed, who was just normally, who looked dangerous, who didn't. He taught me all that. And when I was 6 years old, as I told you, it was his job to go out and get me when I didn't come home right away. So he had to walk around the neighborhood yelling my name. So one day he pulled me aside. He says, "You know what? I don't like calling your name in this neighborhood because I just don't know who's listening, and I feel nervous, and Rubin sounds too Jewish. From now on, I'm going to call you Norm." And that was my name for 10 years. Norm. Just like that.